Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast. If you want to watch this video faster or slower, you can adjust the playback speed.
And I'm here too. Hi, everyone. I hope you are having a great day.
Today, we are talking about something very simple but very powerful. The power of small daily actions.
Yes, small things, tiny things, the little actions we do every day.
Many people think success comes from big actions, big decisions, big changes.
Like, from tomorrow, I will wake up at 5 a.m., go to the gym, read 50 books, and become a millionaire.
Exactly. And then, after 3 days,
They go back to sleeping until 10 a.m. and watching cat videos.
poor cats, it's not their fault.
No, it's not. But today, we want to explain why small, daily actions are more important than big, dramatic plans.
Let's start with a simple question. What is a small daily action?
A small daily action is something easy and simple that you do every day. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't feel scary.
For example, reading 10 pages of a book every day.
Or learning 5 new English words every day.
Or doing 10 push-ups every morning.
10 push-ups? James, I can maybe do 3.
That's okay. Then start with 3. That's the point.
Ah, I see. Small, realistic, possible.
Yes, the key word is consistent. That means you do it again and again, every day.
Let's imagine someone wants to improve their English. They feel their English is not good. They feel shy when speaking.
Many of our listeners feel like that.
Yes, so they say, this weekend I will study English for 8 hours.
That sounds impressive.
But after 2 hours, their brain says, please stop. I need coffee or sleep or a new life.
And then they stop. And maybe they don't study again for 2 weeks.
Exactly. Now let's look at another person. This person studies English 20 minutes every day.
20 minutes is not a lot.
No, it's shorter than one TV episode.
After 1 month, that's about 10 hours of study.
After 1 year, that's about 120 hours.
And that is powerful.
Very powerful. And more important, it becomes a habit.
A habit is something you do automatically. You don't think too much about it.
Like brushing your teeth.
I hope everyone brushes their teeth every day.
Please, for the people around you.
So, small daily actions help us build habits, and habits shape our life.
I like that sentence. Habits shape our life.
Thank you. I practiced it daily.
Very funny.
Let's talk about another example. Health.
Okay, many people want to lose weight or get fit.
They say, from Monday, I will go to the gym every day for 2 hours.
Monday comes, they go to the gym. They feel strong, powerful, like a superhero.
Tuesday comes, their body says, why are you doing this to me?
Wednesday, they cannot move.
And by Friday, they are back on the sofa eating snacks.
Again, snacks are not the enemy, but too many snacks, maybe yes.
Now imagine a different plan. Walk 15 minutes every day.
That's easy.
Do 5 or 10 minutes of simple exercise at home.
That's also easy.
Drink 1 more glass of water every day.
Small action.
After 3 months, your body will feel different.
And you didn't suffer too much.
That's the beauty of small daily actions. They are not scary.
I think many people fail because their goals are too big.
Yes, big goals are good, but we need small steps.
It's like climbing a mountain.
You don't jump to the top.
If you try, you will just fall.
Instead, you take 1 step, then another step, then another.
Step by step.
Let's talk about money.
Ah, money. Everyone's favorite topic.
Many people think, I need to make a lot of money quickly.
They look for magic ideas.
But often, wealth grows slowly.
For example, saving a small amount every day or every week.
Even saving a small amount, like the price of 1 coffee.
After 1 year, that can be a lot.
Small actions plus time equals big results.
That sounds like a math formula.
It is a life formula.
I like that.
Let's explain why small actions work so well.
Yes, why? What is the psychology behind it?
First, small actions reduce fear.
Fear of failure?
Yes, if I say, I will write a 300-page book, I feel stressed.
Me too. I feel tired already.
But if I say, I will write 200 words today, that feels possible.
200 words is maybe 15 minutes.
Exactly. And when I finish, I feel proud.
That good feeling is important.
Very important, because our brain loves success.
So small daily success.
Especially small success. It gives us motivation.
So small daily actions create small daily wins.
Yes, and small daily wins build confidence.
And confidence helps us continue.
That's how a small action becomes a big change.
Let's give a real-life example.
Okay.
Imagine a student who is afraid of speaking English.
Many people feel that way.
This student decides to speak one sentence in English every day.
Just one sentence?
Yes, maybe with a friend, maybe alone in front of a mirror.
Hello, how are you? Today I feel good.
Exactly. After 30 days, that's 30 sentences.
After 6 months, that's around 180 sentences.
And more important, the fear becomes smaller.
Because speaking English is now normal.
Not scary, not special, just part of daily life.
That is powerful.
I want to talk about something else, identity.
Oh, that's interesting.
Small daily actions change how we see ourselves.
Explain more.
If I read every day, even 5 pages, I start to think I am a reader.
Not just I want to read, but I am a reader.
Yes, if I practice English every day, I start to think I am an English learner. I am improving.
And identity is very strong.
Very strong, because we act in a way that matches our identity.
So if I believe I am a healthy person, I will choose healthier food.
If I believe I am a lazy person, I will probably act lazy.
So small daily actions help us build a new identity.
One tiny action at a time.
Now, let's be honest. Sometimes we feel lazy.
Only sometimes?
Okay, many times.
What can we do on those days?
Make the action even smaller.
Smaller than small?
Yes, if your goal is 20 minutes of study and you feel very tired, do 5 minutes.
5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Exactly. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to not stop.
I love that. Don't stop.
Because when we stop for many days, it's hard to start again.
Very hard.
But if we keep the chain going, even with very small actions, the habit stays alive.
I heard a nice idea. Never miss twice.
Oh yes, that's a good rule.
If one day you don't do your small action, okay, you're human.
Maybe you were sick. Maybe you were very busy.
But don't miss 2 days in a row.
That keeps the habit strong.
Let's talk about patience.
Ah, patience. That's difficult.
We live in a fast world. Fast internet, fast food, fast results.
But real growth is slow.
Like a tree.
Yes, a tree grows a little every day. You cannot see it growing.
But after 5 years, it is tall and strong.
Small daily actions are like water for the tree.
Nice image.
Thank you.
So, what can our listeners do after this episode?
Good question. Let's give them a simple plan.
Step 1. Choose one area of your life.
For example, English, health, reading, writing, saving money.
Step 2. Choose one very small action.
Very small. So small that you cannot say no.
Like 5 new words a day.
Or 10 minutes of walking.
Or every morning after I wake up.
Step 3. Decide when you will do it.
Time is important. For example, every day after dinner.
Or every morning after I wake up.
Step 4. Track it.
You can use a notebook or your phone.
When you see many check marks, you feel proud.
I love check marks. They make me happy.
Me too. Very simple happiness.
And finally, be patient.
Yes, trust the process.
Big success is often boring.
Boring?
Yes, because it is just doing small things again and again.
That's true. It's not dramatic. It's not exciting every day.
But it works.
So remember, you don't need to change your whole life today.
Just change one small action.
And repeat it tomorrow.
And the next day.
1 year from now, you will thank yourself.
And maybe you will say, wow, I'm so glad I started with that small step.
So, dear listeners, think about your small daily action. What will you start today?
It can be very small, but it can change your future.
We believe in you.
Yes, we do.
Small steps, big results.
That's the power of small daily actions.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.